This is a good opportunity for all NRIs to do. The card is available, you get a discount in 81 restaurants, hospitals, 184 hospitals, 103 schools and shopping malls, so you can do whatever you want, you get special discounts with that card. Axis Bank has been tied up with, and una de jehde banks de lounges hai, you get priority loans on it with preferential rates. You get a personal accident cover of 5 lakhs in Punjab by this Axis Bank, all free. This has got nothing, just by getting the card you get exclusive discount offers, reward programs, everything. All these things are part of your card which you get, and you can apply now online for this card, and the card will be sent to you like you get your American Express or Visa card which are delivered to you at your home. There's a very big problem which was coming of human smuggling. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੰਗੋਲੀਆ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਸਮਗਲਿੰਗ ਐਕਟ ਪਾਸ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ with very harsh provisions against people like that who deceive our Punjabi friends. ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੇ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਕਵਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ, we have organization known as PESCO. That PESCO organization, we recommend that you take guards from there. They're somewhat part of Punjab government, and if you want to, they can keep your guard rather than hiring private guards who are not responsible. So we have come out with an organization, PESCO, which can provide you security for your property or anything which you want. NRI media has got accreditation, which was never done before in any other state. We have also started sponsoring 50 students per year for study Punjabi, not NRIs from here, Punjabi to make them NRIs from here. We're sponsoring 50 students there. Advertisement already started in Punjabi media abroad. Another big thing what Honorable Chief Minister has done, like we created a separate NRI police wing, he just cleared one NRI court. Means that all cases of NRIs will come fast-tracked into that one judge court, so that rather than people going through normal process, it will be 100 times faster. Jehdi cheez 4-5 saal lagdi si, hun 2-3 mahine ch your decisions will be taken by the court. A special court has been made. NRI first court has been going to be set up in Jalandhar. We requested the Chief Justice for another 3 courts as the volume of cases increase, so that the number of cases can be handled faster. We have started this. These are two very important numbers for NRIs. 24/7 police helpline. You can be anywhere in the world. You call this number, police helpline, and you will get the quick response. ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ, ਕੋਈ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਦਾਰੂ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ 'ਚ ਕਬਜ਼ਾ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, something you got to know, you can call up the NRI police, or you can even call up NRI helpline, Punjab helpline. There are 2 different numbers. Anything you want to know, information about Punjab NRIs, you can call this NRI Punjab helpline. It's an interactive proper website, as a telephone number also there. On top is a 24 hours police helpline for NRIs around the world. Before I'm going to sum up what we are doing, I just want to tell you one thing. 3 ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓਗੇ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ ਦੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਲੱਗੂਗੀ। ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੈਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਹੈ, the holy city of Amritsar. We are transforming it completely. We are spending in next 3 years approximately more than 2,000 crores, beautifying, changing the look. We are even taking part of Amritsar city look back to 150 years back. So we are working in a big way. It will be a drastic change, because we have made it. Honorable Chief Minister's mission is कि अपनी holy city should be the best among all holy cities in the world. We are in a big way. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕੰਪਲੇਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕੂੜਾ ਬੜਾ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਗੰਦਗੀ ਬੜੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਪੂਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ, ਉਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਇਲਾਜ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। We are privatizing solid waste management. We have divided Punjab into 7 or 8 clusters. 2-3 clusters काम शुरू हो गया. मालवा बेल्ट के clusters, you go to any town, छोटी मंडी भी जाओगे तो कूड़ा नहीं दिखूगा. आज जाके देख लो मालवा दी. ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਦਾ ਟੈਂਡਰ ਖੁੱਲਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ, ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਕਲਸਟਰ ਦਾ, ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਖੁੱਲਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਦਾ 15-20 ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ. It'll take time. By another 6-8 months, all collection, door-to-door collection, cleaning of streets, all outsourced private companies, in private in a big way, like you have it in your countries. Same way, we are thrust is of cleanliness of our state, and we are moving in a right direction. And hopefully, in next 3 years when you come, when everything of ours is implemented, I assure you, you will see a drastic change and you will be proud of your home state, Punjab. Thank you very much.
ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਜ਼ੋਰਦਾਰ ਤਾੜੀਆਂ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ, ਇੰਨੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੀਗੀ। ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਬੜੀ ਮਾਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਲੀਡਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੋਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਚੁਗਿਰਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਾਂਹ ਵਧਾਉਣ ਤੱਕ ਹਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਫਿਕਰਮੰਦ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਪੂਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਬੜੀ ਮਾਣ ਦੀ।
ਸਾਡੇ ਸਮਾਗਮ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੋਭਾ ਵਧਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਕੈਬਨਿਟ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਪਰਮਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਢੀਂਡਸਾ, ਸ਼ਰਨਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਢਿੱਲੋਂ ਜੀ ਔਰ ਰਖੜਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ। ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਤਸ਼ਰੀਫ ਲਿਆਉਣ।
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਸਰਵਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਫਿਲੌਰ ਜੀ, ਕਲਚਰ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰਨ ਪਲੀਜ਼, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਸੱਜੀਆਂ ਖੱਬੀਆਂ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤਰੱਕੀ ਦੀ ਰਾਹ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਔਰ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮਿਸ ਰਜਨੀ ਅਲੈਗਜ਼ੈਂਡਰ, ਕੌਂਸਲ ਜਨਰਲ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ, ਐਂਡ ਡੇਵਿਡ ਲੇਲੀਅਟ, ਡਿਪਟੀ ਹਾਈ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ UK। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨੇ ਕਿਲੇ ਫਤਿਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਕਦੇ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਜਦੋਂ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਪਰਚਮ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਲਹਿਰਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਫਤਿਹ ਦੇ ਝੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਵੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਅਮਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਚ ਤੇ ਬੁਲਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ Honorable Member Parliament, Minister for Multiculturalism, Tim Uppal ਸਾਹਿਬ। ਔਰ ਬੜੀ ਮਾਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜੇ ਇੱਕ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ 'ਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਬੜੀ ਸ਼ਾਨਦਾਰ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਸਰਪੰਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਬਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੋ। ਟਿਮ ਉੱਪਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ।
Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal, Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal, Minister of NRI Affairs Bikramjit Singh Majitia, and other Punjab cabinet ministers, ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. It is a great honor for me to be here with a very strong Canadian delegation, my colleague Minister Balgoso, Member of Parliament Joe Daniel, our Consul General from here in Chandigarh, she's newly appointed, Rajani Alexander, my friend, Member of Parliament Jasbir Sandhu, and then we also have MLA Peter Sandhu from Alberta, Harinder Thakkar, Amarjit Sohi, Councillor from Edmonton, Gurbaksh Malli, my friend Preeti Lamba. So we have a very strong delegation from Canada, and it is my honor on behalf of the Prime Minister of Canada, the Prime Minister Right Honourable Stephen Harper, to be here as the Minister of State for Multiculturalism. Khas, it's an honour to be here at Anandpur Sahib, jithe chare sahibzade were born here. Guru Gobind Singh Ji ne Khalsa Panth sajaya si in this place, where he set the course for Sikhi in the future. And today, we are continuing the discussion on the future of Punjab for Punjabis living here and Punjabis around the world. ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ NRI ਸੰਮੇਲਨ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਵਾ, the entire team of Bikramjit Singh Majitia, who was the lead of this project, and I also want to specially thank Mr. Iqbal Atwal, Rinku Atwal, who was doing the logistics to make sure that all of us from different parts of the world, as politicians, ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ. He made all the arrangements, so we thank you very much for that. ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ NRI ਸੰਮੇਲਨ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਲੋਕ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਆ, our own constituents ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਉੱਥੇ? Why are you going? And yes, part of it is the great hospitality of Punjabis. Punjab government, the hospitality, that's great. But the important things are the discussions ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. The opportunities that we had, especially last year, with ਜਿਹੜੇ issues ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ riding ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਾਡੇ country ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲਾਂ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, we had an opportunity to present those concerns to the government. We as ministers with roots in India have an opportunity to meet with other politicians from other parts of the world. New Zealand, UK, US. It's very important to compare our stories, our notes. We can better improve things for Punjabis. And we myself as a legislator, as a legislator, sara ko rato raat nahi solve ho sakta. But we are here to take steps to help make things better. In Canada, we have a very strong population of Punjabis. Canada de vich, there's a little over 1 million people who have their roots in India. The million to half, more than half, are from Punjab. And that is the largest population of Punjabis outside of India come from Canada. And those Punjabis are a very strong part of the Canadian way of life, Canadian culture, and of course, Canada's economy. When Birji Sukhbir Singh Badal lumped Canada into the other countries that were broke, right away, Peter Sandhu texted me and said, you need to correct this. Peter Uncle, coming from Alberta, Canada has the strongest job record in the G7. Over 1 million new jobs created since 2009, the worst part of the recession. Canada has the strongest balance sheet in all G7 countries. So we are doing very well and look forward to work with India.
Not only misled you, have misled us also.
Yeah, there you go. And that is why we are working so hard to tie up our trade relationship, make a better relationship with India. As well as the trade relationship by India de Nal, and we've increased it by about 20% since 2010. $5 billion the trade relationship, it's gone beyond $5 billion now between Canada and India, two-way trade. Onde 2 ਜਾਂ 3 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੱਕ, we're going to make that from $5 billion to $15 billion between Canada and India. And we are gathered here today to have these discussions to ensure that Punjab gets their fair share of that $15 billion that's coming here. Now, Canada has a strong population of Punjabis because Canada, the immigration record, especially from India, has been very good, has been very strong. Consistently, India has been one of the top 3 countries for immigration to Canada. And that has continued and will continue with very strong numbers. Today, parents and grandparents on a program who just a week ago, or actually about 10 days ago, so now parents, we were taking some time to clear out the backlog. Parents hon fair Canada lai apply kar sakde ne. And we are starting up a new system where somebody can put their resume up online here, and then the employer can look at that resume from Canada. If they like the resume, they can do their interview, and if everything works well, they could have that employee go through the immigration process and be in Canada within months, where it used to take up to 8 years to get them to get into Canada. So now you can get there within months. So these are new ideas and new ways of doing things that we're trying to change our immigration program. As for visitor visas, right here in Chandigarh, in 2005 and 2006, approval rate was 24%. The approval rate in Chandigarh in 2005 and 2006 was only 34%. As even though the number of applications has gone almost double, as the approval rate is over 50%. It's actually closer to 54%. So we continue to work very hard on immigration issues. So again, back to this Sammelan that has been hosted by the Punjab government, and again, we appreciate this opportunity. So ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਰੈਗੂਲਰਲੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਆਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ. And so we did raise issues last time, issues of the police, concerns with police, dealing with Punjab police, issues of dealing with courts here in Punjab, land dispute issues. And it's great to see the results today that Sukhbir ji just mentioned, that many of those issues have been resolved. Up to about 70% of the concerns that we already have discussed are resolved, and they're still continuing to work on them. So I would say that the results have been very good. We're pleased to see this. I'm glad we're here to see the follow-up. Further to that, I think fir bhi ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ as Punjabis here, we do have a responsibility that we ਜਿਹੜੇ youth ਬਾਹਰ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ connect ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. Our young youth need to be connected with Punjab. And I think there's two issues here. Maybe there's two types of youth that we can categorize that are disconnected from Punjab. One, a youth we ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ culture ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, Punjab as a land ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਾਲੇ connected. ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ as ਛੋਟੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ. ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ parents ਨੇ ਮੌਕਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ for whatever reason ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ. ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ ਸੀ and had a very bad experience. That happens as well. ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਮੈਂ youth ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਗਏ ਸੀ, 2 ਵਿਆਹ ਅਟੈਂਡ ਕੀਤੇ ਤੇ ਮੁੜੇ. So, you know, we have to give them a better experience. And now with some of the new development, you can have best of both worlds. ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ village life ਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, because that's what, you know, thrives in our heart. That's what we want to see. But at the same time, the shopping malls, the hotels, the streets, the development is amazing. So I think there's a way we ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ youth ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ connect ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. There is another youth as well, another group of youth, who some of these youth are very, very passionate about Punjab. But they're passionate about issues of Punjabis. These are youth that are concerned about human rights issues. These are youth that are concerned about the well-being of Sikhs, not only in Punjab, but around the world. And so these are youth that, you know, they want to know, for example, why is there a higher suicide rate amongst some farmers in Punjab? There's some issues that they want to have information on. And I think we can work with the government here to give that information, to have that discussion with some of that youth. And I can say that I've had a very good relationship with Bikramjeet Singh Majitia, who's had these discussions with me. And we've been able to provide some of that information, and we will continue to do that. So I appreciate the working with us on these issues. They're also concerned about maintenance of historical areas, and I would say to any one of them, and anybody here, ਅੱਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੀ ਆ ਵਿਰਾਸਤ-e-ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ, it's something to see. This is something that this government should be proud about, and we as Punjabis should all be proud to show anybody. I was proud to walk along the Prime Minister of Canada, Prime Minister Stephen Harper, to walk through that building and show him that this is not only our history, but this is the level of development that's happening in this country. And I was proud to show the Prime Minister this building, to walk with him. We've been talking quite a bit about investment, and I find that there is a confidence level there's lacking of confidence in some investors who would like to invest elsewhere. Somebody today told me that there was a study done that many NRIs are investing. China de vich invest kar rahe ne, par Punjab aake nahi kar rahe. I'm not sure who did the study. And maybe that's true. But I would say we jinne Punjabi ne, if they had the option, if they knew, if they, you know, they would like to invest in Punjab, to create jobs for Punjabis. They would like to do that. So there is that, and I think it's a communication gap. Jehde aj presentation hoya ne, the conference that you had with the big time investors, that's the kind of information that we need to relay out to the world, especially the NRI those that